Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Straight Line Solutions. My name is Jared and I'm usually on the other end of the camera, but today I'm taking you along with me to the county fair. I'm taking this car with me in the figure 8 race. This is a 1992 Geo Prism. There's a little bit work done to it. The CV axle broke on the other side, on the driver's side, so that was replaced. The fuel pump, it's run on a light switch. I just see it here. So I got to turn that on for the fuel pump to work correctly. But hey, it works. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I have a few cameras mounted inside the car, so stay tuned. We're gonna head there pretty soon. Probably be there around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock or so, and get checked in. So follow along.
What's the first car in, Dak? The someone of Lloyd Anderson. The second car, Jared Dick. The 40 car, Mike Brandt. In the 84, Dean Suderman. 10 laps. Matt, are you ready? Let's count them down in 5, 4,